I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I'm here to tell you about the One Funnel Away Challenge. By the end of this video, I want you to know exactly what it is and where I am at in it. All right, let's just dig in and get started. Okay, the One Funnel Away Challenge is by ClickFunnels, and it's a way to help you learn about their landing page software more in depth. It helps you with the community based. It helps you learn the software, what it is, what it's for, mindset, all of that. It is amazing. It is mind-blowing. It really is. You may think I am crazy, but it is. It is. If I was to start all over, this is what I would do. First, do me a favor. Please subscribe or like for this channel because it is new and I would greatly appreciate it. And comment and let me know how you think that I am. It would help me improve, take away, or negative, positive. I don't care. Just help me out here. Okay. So, again, if I was to do it all over again, I would have done the OFA challenge because I started off by doing a ton of courses, which is okay because it helps us learn. Most of them was good, some of them wasn't so great, but this just would have been the best beginning because I already knew I was going to use ClickFunnels as my landing page software already. It just would have helped along the way. So if I can help you save you some time and some trouble, well, then I most definitely would like to do that. And I could not find, before I did the challenge, where someone was like halfway through or the progress through it. They told me afterwards and before. So I promised you guys that I would do this for you, even if I sound or look crazy. But it's awesome. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what it is. It is the challenge. You have 30 days. You have 30 days, not 31, to go through everything. So they send you what you would do. They send you. They actually, well, they do send you, and then they tell you what you're to do for that day. And secondly, and they give you a homework assignment, and you have to get it done. You have to get it done because all of the videos will go away in 30 days. So you don't really have much of choice. So it forces you to watch the videos. It forces you to do the work. So that's actually what I think that I needed and you might need as well. It's $100. It might sound crazy because some people's like, oh my gosh, $100, that's a lot of money. But it's not. It is so worth it. Just the first week, which they kind of don't count the first week, but they do. It's like about mindset and everything. It was great. I mean, the way that they taught it, I try to teach mindset because I'm pretty good at least that topic. And they did better than I ever could even think about doing. So that was just that first week. So I thought that was worth $100. But you also get the training with I always forget her name, Julie Stein, I forget her last name anyways, with Russell Brunson, and then my favorite is Steve Larson, which he's just crazy, which I like because he's someone that's actually crazier than me. My favorite thing though is the Facebook group because speaking of crazy, I have friends and family that when I first started all of this, I mean, because I started a little back researching and trying to figure it all out, just in my brain what everything was. And yeah, they were all looking at me like I was crazy. Yeah, all of them. So you have your own Facebook group that has that same mindset as you. They're doing the same thing as you. Y'all can talk about the same thing. I'm like, oh, it was just like that. It was like a breath of fresh air. So I really, really like that. That's really cool. And I meet new friends and I get to help people because I do know a little bit of stuff. And, you know, the stuff that I don't know, then they help me. And it's really, really, really cool. The $100. Okay. Also, ClickFunnels doesn't get anything. I signed up through a friend and they get the $100. If you sign up through me, I get $100. It's $100. The stuff alone, well, I'm sure there's a book. I would have paid $100 just for the book. And then they have tons of bonuses that come with it. I have so many bonuses that I actually have not seen anyone ever offer as many bonuses as what I even have. Okay? But don't do it for the bonuses. Do it for you. Do it because you want to change your life. You would like to start to get out of your 9 to 5. You would like to improve your business. Do it because you want to. But again, I do have the good bonuses. I'll show you. Anyways, I just want you to be able to help yourself. And if you do it for the right reasons, then you're more than likely to stick with it and actually do it. Okay. Now, let me tell you what comes with it. We get, because I've already done the unboxing, but we get this book. This is what I was talking about. It has, give me, and 30 of my 2 Comma Club winners, just 30 days. They was to start all over. They were asked, what would you do? What would you do? I would have hated to have been one of those people because I've been like, crap, I'm so far along. Let me have to think back. But so this is really cool. And there's videos of the exact same thing. And I was told that we get to now keep those, which is great because you're doing so much. You don't have time to just stop and watch other videos. So those we do get to keep. But everything else is going to go away, guys. Notebook. We get a notebook that we get to write in, which I am taking notes. Not just for me, but when I'm done, I can help other people too with my notes, which I actually have some notes for you too. Okay, I talked about the $100, but I am saving the best for last. It's no thingy thing. Right there. Okay, I lost it. It's an MP3 player. I use it in the car. I am a single mom. And if you were like me, I do not have a lot of time. So I get in the car and I listen to that baby. Even if I am going to go get me a drink, I am listening to it there and back. If I have already had listened through that for today, that I get back in the car, I'm going to listen to it again. I'm going to listen to it again. There are several that I have because I will wake up in the morning and I will listen to it. And Julie a lot of times will teach you. She'll show you stuff. Then I'll go back. I'm listening to her. And then I'll go back later and then I'll watch her. And then it helps it stick to you because I'm like, oh, I remember her saying that this morning. Now, I don't always get to do that. But if I can, it really does help. So that's all the stuff that comes with it. But that is my favorite because, and we get to keep that. We can take it anywhere with me, which I have to plug in my car. So, okay. I wanted to tell you about the few things that I thought was my favorite. Okay, the first week, which is the first, they don't call it the first week, but again, that was the mindset. That's the pre-training. That's kind of self-explanatory. And then officially week 1 is the create, the offer hacking, and the e-covers and stuff like that. For one, I would have never known who to contact for e-covers. Now, I probably could have figured it out because I've used some of those sites before. But offer hacking, no. I would have had an idea from watching and listening to Russell, but I still wouldn't have known. But I found out in my area, most of them are selling courses. So that didn't help me. So I'm contacting our peoples and I'm like, well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I selling a course? Yeah, I just want to help people. I want to help people. So that was cool because I got to learn how to do that, and I got to learn what all those people are doing. But it didn't help me choose what I was going to do. So I had to figure that out a completely different way. But that was actually considered week 2, story and publishing. So that one has been cool. I see. She said that was his favorite week, and I see why. I see why. Which that's this week. The storytelling. Which a lot of people's having a hard time trying to come up with a story. Mine's easy because I was in IT, which is information technology, for over 20 years, and then all of a sudden my whole entire department got laid off. So something that turned into that I was starting a side business and all. Okay, I get to do this full time now, but I am loving it. I love it. It's great. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then publishing, which is what I'm doing right now. So I don't do before a whole lot of video. So do me a favor and please like and subscribe so you can help me do a whole bunch more, and I'm going to get better. And I have tons of stuff that I already know and learn, and I already have jotted out to do more videos. So I would greatly appreciate that. Again, my main favorite takeaways were how to sell things, because I'm not a salesman. I want to help you. That's my main goal, because in IT that was my favorite thing, is I got to help people. So this is a way that I still get to do that, and I get to do it for free. You can send me an email at shelly@shellyhopkins.com, and I can see how to help you the very best that I can, because that's my favorite. But how to sell, I don't know how. So they teach us how to do a sales message, but it added value. So that was great to learn, because the whole sales part, again, sales, offers. I had already had half of my package already, which was a bunch. And now I really don't think I've seen anyone that has as much as me. But you learn about how to do your offers and stuff like that. And I'm looking a little bit over this week because I have a couple more notes that I was for sure I didn't want to forget to tell you about. And where to get your designs. I learned about that. The covers, and then the most important thing that I had wrote down, but I don't even need to, is just to tell you, was about the community, the OFA community, because a lot of it's like, okay, as a community, a bunch of people, blah, blah, blah. No, they help you when you're stuck. And I have noticed a lot of people, it's not just in the work. You're stuck at how to come up with just a concept. And it's a lot harder than what you think. So that's amazing. Okay, so I want to show you something in my screen now. Okay, here is my screen. Wrong one. Okay, this is the main page. Join the challenge now. Russell, $100. Okay, this is what the MP3 player is telling you about. The hard book cover, it tells you how much everything is worth. Bonus 2. Oh, the notebook. That's what I was telling you about. Bonus 3 is the MP3 player. Okay. Everything. And then I wanted to show you.
everybody, it's Russell Brunson. Welcome to the One Funnel.
All right. So usually there's that one, and then Julie if she has one, and then of course Stephen. But there's always one with Stephen and Russell. Julie does things. How many she's been in so far? 3, maybe. Yeah, I think 3. Okay, I keep forgetting her last name. Okay. And then, this is what I was wanting to show you too. The 30 days. This is their summit. And each one, I'm thinking, is about 30 minutes. I haven't watched all of them. But at least we have all of these recorded. And we get to keep them. But they're the videos. So, but if you're like me, I want to have the book and the videos. And we do. So it's like, awesome. Yes. Kind of like, I want some audio with the book. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, and okay. Then you come in here each day. This is the other thing I was going to show you. And then you click on each one. And then that's when they show you how you have, there's, so you always have, and then you'll have like a little additional stuff. But, okay, bonuses. Okay. This is the One Funnel Away challenge. Okay. Okay. You see, you get all that. And then you get more. All this just comes free with it. And I actually had pulled up, you get a whole nother set of, okay, you get, this comes with, you get the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is freaking amazing. And then you get, when you sign up under ClickFunnels with me, you get like all of this times 2. So like 2 sets of a whole bunch of different stuff. I had it pulled up. But, and then that's all the bonuses. And if you do sign up, make sure you go ahead and email me at shelly@shellyhopkins.com. And we will get your bonuses out to you. And again, I hope you do it not for the bonuses, but do it because you want to, for you, to help you. And I will be here along the way. I will give you access to my messenger from Facebook and your email. This goes for the OFA and for ClickFunnels, and you will have access to me forever. So, and I usually get back with everybody pretty fast. So again, if you would subscribe and like, and also comment, I greatly appreciate you.